How to report a lost item on Bolt application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to report a lost item on Bolt application. So to report a lost item on Bolt, first try contacting your driver directly through the app within the 24 hours of ride. And if you can't reach the driver or it's been more than 24 hours, you just have to contact the Bolt's support team through the app itself, providing details from your info. So for within 24 hours, you can just check the ride history. To check that, just head over to the right section from the bottom of the navigation bar and just select the relevant trip and just contact the driver. Find the option to contact the driver, which is usually a call button, and try reaching them directly and asking for the help. And if it's already been more than 24 hours and if the driver contact is unsuccessful, then just open the navigation section to the support section. Just head over to, then just open the home section, and once you're inside here, just tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner just like this and simply click on support. And from over here you can just choose to inbox them, and if you haven't opened any chat, you can just tap on this using Bolt option over here so that you can contact the Bolt support team regarding your issue. So you can choose any one of the issue like this. So if this is not helpful, you can simply tap on this no button and simply click on this chat with us option over here and simply click on this describe your issue and just explain your issue properly to the Bolt team, and this will get back to you once they receive your message. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.